quick video preview of the digital version of this product. This is a digital self-checking worksheet through Google Sheets. So as students are entering in their answers into these boxes, they're going to get some feedback, right? So if you enter in the correct answer and you press enter, it's going to turn green. Now let's say a student makes a mistake and they enter in the wrong answer. When they press enter, it's going to turn red, letting them know that they have to try again. I want you guys to also notice that I'm using parentheses for my order pairs, and I'm also not leaving any spaces. So that's also important to let students know. And it's in the directions right here as well. So I'm just going to go through a couple more of them to show you guys. Right, so D would be, let's see, where's D? -3, -2. Okay, with this product, you also get the printable version, so you get some guided notes and the printable worksheet in case you're on a hybrid schedule or you just are doing in-person learning. That comes with the answer key as well. So yeah, copy the link in the description or search Sped Dreams on Teachers Pay Teachers to get this product. Thank you so much.